guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi Rip. If you're brand new to my channel, consider subscribing. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to ring that notification bell so you can be notified at any time I do upload a video. Today, what I'm going to do is my December Boxy Luxe unboxing. Every 3 months, you get a Boxy Luxe if you are signed up for it. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You get the base box normally, which is $25, or like I said, every 3 months, you get the Luxe, which is $55. If you'd like to see what I got in my December Boxycharm, just keep watching. Every Boxycharm comes with a little card. The theme of this one is Bubbles and Glitz. Super cute. And I love these cards because they have all the information on the products that are in the box, the pricing, so that I can add it all up and then at the end I can let you know the value of this box. First product in this box is the iconic London. This is the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. So this is a 6-pan face palette. There are bronzers, blushes, highlighters. Looks like a kind of a blush topper. This retails for $55. So let's go ahead and do some swatches. So this is the 3 highlighter type colors. They seem kind of sheer, not super pigmented. There is the bronzer. That's a really nice cool tone type color. There is a blush. This one is really nice natural pink. And this one is a bit more glowy and a really bright pink. So those are super pretty colors. This is kind of exciting. I love trying out new face palettes. Next product is this Sunday Riley Good Genes serum. I love this serum. I have used it multiple times. It's an all-in-one lactic acid treatment. I really find that this does help my skin a lot, makes it super smooth. And this product in itself retails for almost twice what the box is worth. It retails for $85. Really great serum. Love that this came in my box. Next product is another Hip Dot eyeshadow palette. If you saw my unboxing from last month, I did receive the Zion palette. This is the Cenote palette. So this is almost the same, but it is a blue-green type palette. It reminds me a lot of the Lunar Beauty's new eyeshadow palette. I think the colors are pretty similar. Beautiful dark jewel tone colors, blues, greens. Love this color story more than the Zion color story. And Hip Dot has an incredible formula. I really do love their formula. I love the Zion palette, just not the color story. So I'm really excited to have these because I do like blues and greens a lot more. Next product that I received is a brush set. I love Luxie brushes. This is the Glitter and Glow brush set. This is an 8-piece brush set and it retails for $85. So that is so great. These brushes look really nice. Let's go ahead and open a couple of them. There's a flat chisel brush. I really like using this for like contour. Really great little highlight brush. Fits perfectly right there. Love the gold ferrule to the brush. A flat foundation or concealer brush. This would work really well for blending out concealer under the eyes. Really nice smaller size blending brush. A angled kind of blending brush, really nice, could go great for under the eyes. A more flat packer brush. Even more flat packer brush, and then the last one is an angled eyeliner brush. I'm really excited to get this brush set. Love brushes. Next, I received these little earrings. They're from the brand Laxi, I believe. Little cubic zirconian earrings. They retail for $35. Those are super cute. Let's go ahead and put those on. I didn't put any earrings on because I didn't know that these were in my box. I figured I would just put them on now. Those are really cute. I like those. Very sparkly. Really pretty. I love these earrings. They're super pretty. Very glittery. Love them. Next product is from Avant Skincare. I love this brand. I have their sleeping mask, which is so great. This is the Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. Love that I got a moisturizer. I was actually running low of the moisturizer I've been using, so I'm really glad to have this. And this does retail for $123. That is crazy. That is crazy. That's twice the price of this box, and Avant is a really nice skincare brand. This product is from Rockin' Cosmetics. This is the Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. So it is 3 jumbo eye pens. They are all really pretty. They're glittery. So here is the black. That is super creamy. I'm not sure how much use I'm going to get out of these just because I don't do a ton of cream pencil eyeshadows. But there is that green. Super pretty. That's more of a almost like a bluey teal. Love that color actually. That's gorgeous. And these feel extremely creamy. And there is that blue. Really pretty. I'd actually like to do an eye look using this blue and that eyeshadow palette. I think that would be really beautiful. That 3-piece kit retails for $40. So there are those. The last product in my box is this Riza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In It's a leave-in conditioner. It's a spray, which is kind of different. I've never done a leave-in conditioner that's a spray. You're supposed to spray it to the bottom of your hair. It retails for $22. Smells really nice. I'm kind of excited to try this. I've never heard of the brand before. And the retail value of this box is well over $400. This is an incredible box. The other product in this box that I'm not super excited about is the eyeshadow sticks, just because I don't use that type of formula very often, but I'm excited for the face palette, the eyeshadow palette, the brushes, the moisturizer, the hair product, and the serum. I'm really excited for all of them, so I would say this is probably one of my favorite boxes this year. Really like the products I got, and I'm super excited to be able to use all of them. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys!